If in previous videos we introduced powerful tree stump pulling machines, this video will take you on a dramatic and exciting journey of sawing and transporting. Taking down a fallen tree with a handheld chainsaw is more than just a job. It's a battle that requires absolute precision and skillful technique. With a sharp blade and a powerful motor, the chainsaw is like a sharp sword, piercing the tree trunk and bringing it down decisively and quickly. Next are the wood harvesters, the right arm of the forestry industry, optimizing the process, minimizing effort and time. Harvesta V-Lace stands out with a 280 horsepower engine, providing superior eucalypt wood cutting performance, ensuring the work is done quickly and accurately. When nature becomes harsh, the Valtra T144 and its companion Kronos 164 WDM still steadfastly overcome all challenges. The engine roars, the wheels sink deep into the mud, but the tractor still powerfully pulls giant logs, crossing the wild forest. Oh no, the sight of the tree crashing into the machine is heart-stopping. If you agree that safety when sawing trees is a top priority, leave comment 1 now. Power and technology come together. This machine crushes wood with a 520 horsepower engine and a weight of 58,000 pounds. Using advanced technology, the machine quickly tears large tree trunks into small pieces in the blink of an eye. The Moorbark 4036 drum microchipper is a powerful wood chipper with an 875 horsepower engine and a weight of 52,500 pounds. With its modern design and advanced technology, the machine easily turns large tree trunks into small pieces in the blink of an eye, optimizing performance and saving time in the wood processing process. With leading technology, John Deere 7730 is also equipped with an advanced control system, helping the operator to operate easily and optimize work efficiency. The machine has outstanding hardwood processing ability, ensuring the quality of output products while minimizing operating and maintenance costs.
Que vai vir puxar o outro. Tem enganchado ali.
The power of this vehicle is unbelievable. MBI 0536, despite carrying dozens of tons of timber on rough terrain, can still pull another truck that is having problems. This image clearly demonstrates the impressive performance and superior power of the mighty machine. With up to 150 million pounds of force and a 30-inch wedge, the hydraulic side loader can adjust the splinter, allowing for superior wood processing efficiency. In particular, this equipment handles logs up to 2.5 feet long, improving work efficiency and accuracy. What's going on? Leave a like or subscribe if you think sawing wood should be safe.
Say, Dad, the window's still there!
When it comes to power and versatility in splitting logs, the Bell Super Splitter 2015 is a must-have. With a 95 horsepower Cat turbo diesel engine and 6-way adjustable wedge, it is the ideal tool for handling large logs. The power of the engine combined with the flexible design makes the machine split logs quickly and efficiently. Looking for a powerful vehicle for the forestry industry? The Mercedes-Benz new Actros 2653 with 530 horsepower is the ideal choice, specially designed for transporting timber and equipment in the forest, both efficiently and with maximum safety. Have you ever imagined that removing stubborn tree stumps could be surprisingly easy? With the Levisepi Magnum Agromechanica 3V Viscani, every stump is handled quickly, neatly, and efficiently. Follow this journey to discover why this is the ultimate weapon in tree stump removal. As the optimal solution for firewood processing, Bosch Spaltix S375 with a capacity of up to 45 horsepower is definitely a reliable choice. The machine is capable of cutting and splitting wood quickly, helping to increase productivity and shorten processing time effectively. Do you want to experience the real power of the PTH 1200/1000M track Petzolato drum chipper with Scania DC13 engine, 710 horsepower? This giant machine easily crushes solid oak, brings outstanding efficiency, helps optimize time, and significantly reduces effort in the wood processing process. Truly amazing power. No, you are not mistaken. Giant logs are being transported to the lumber mill with incredible ease. Although each log weighs 29,500 pounds, they are lifted as if they are weightless, creating a spectacular scene. Before the overwhelming power of modern technology, humans suddenly become small, and everything around them seems to fade away. With its outstanding design, the Belarus MTZ 1221.2 with its powerful engine combined with a giant homemade trailer easily conquers all harsh terrains. From deep forests to slippery winter roads, This machine significantly shortens working time and becomes an indispensable companion for loggers. Amazing! Scania R658 by 4 timber truck with 700 horsepower engine and powerful 8x4 drive system, ready to conquer any rugged terrain. This truck can carry up to 75,000 pounds of timber, easily overcoming harsh challenges, ensuring maximum stability and performance in all mining conditions.
Kata, pataty.
When the job requires flexibility and efficiency, the 750mm saw for Mini Excavator X07 1.8T is the ideal solution for cutting outdoor wood. With a powerful engine, the machine easily breaks down hardwood fence posts, helping to increase productivity and save time. It's impressive that such a small vehicle possesses such terrible power. Extreme Skidder LKT 81T. 25 cubic meters can pull dozens of tons of wood through the most rugged terrain. With a compact design but outstanding power, it is truly an indispensable assistant in the logging industry. The process of mass producing 18,000 pounds of oak firewood at the largest firewood factory begins with selecting high-quality wood. The wood is cut, processed, and packaged using modern, high-capacity equipment, ensuring large output and optimal efficiency. Would you like me to change the figures to another unit or add more technical details? Are you looking for the optimal solution for processing large diameter logs? VSP 60.60, a versatile combination machine for cutting, peeling, and processing wood quickly and powerfully. With its advanced design and outstanding performance, the VSP 60.60 helps large-scale wood processing companies significantly increase their productivity. OS 600 SciTech peeling machine is a specialized equipment in energy projects. Equipped with a powerful motor, the machine brings high efficiency when processing electric poles up to 50 feet. The machine helps the peeling process quickly and accurately, improving productivity and saving time, suitable for large construction and energy projects.